Cool. Well, before we wrap the show, one of the things that we like to do is share something we utilize in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. We refer to that as the Whissel Widget of the Week. What do you got for us, Bryan?
I'm going to go with my widget. I'm going to do another system, if you're not tired of systems yet. And this is a system that we use primarily in the media team, and it's called Acuity. And we use this to allow agents to book our photo shoots. The thing that we were looking for when I was setting this up is something that we can take payment before the process. Before we use this, I would do like a Google form, and then I would chase them down for payment. And it was half of my job fighting agents, and it wasn't fun. But Acuity is really cool. You can set specific time for, Tom's available on this time at from these time slots. Chad's available earlier or later. Neither of them are available on Thursday or whatever it is. So we use it for that, but we also use it for booking our conference rooms. I think we looked into using it for booking our trucks. We've done a bunch of different things with it. So if you're looking for something to, and the other thing that I really like about this is it can help make sure you're not overbooking things. It's kind of like Calendly on steroids. Don't get mad at me, Calendly. But I can do a lot more with Acuity than I can with Calendly.
If they gave us Calendly for free, we might feel otherwise.
They don't give us Acuity for free either.
No. But if Calendly gave it to us for free, we might think differently.
I mean, we'd figure out more ways to use it for sure.
Cool. The one I want to share with you, this one's somewhat unique. I travel a lot, sometimes for events, sometimes for family, and sometimes just for investment purposes. And oftentimes when I'm arriving at hotels that are outside of their typical check-in period, which can be a headache, when maybe you arrive somewhere at like 1 o'clock, but they're like, oh, you can't check in till 4 o'clock. It's a freaking headache. So I utilize AMEX credit cards. Particularly, I have a gold and a platinum card. Each one has different bonus structures that are beneficial. But the beauty is when you book hotels with Amex, they have three different types. The normal booking, they have something called Hotel Collection, and then they have another thing called Fine Hotels and Resorts. And when you stay, depending on the level that you book, these things will come with early check-in and late check-out, which is oftentimes very, very important. There's nothing worse than like getting to a hotel and then they're like, oh, well, your room's not ready. It'll be ready after 4 o'clock. And you're like, all right, I guess I'll leave my bags here and I'll go try to find something to do. Like, it's a huge headache to deal with that. So the early check-in, late check-out, automatically, huge plus. Additionally, you'll get like $100 credit to use like at the spa or towards dining, things like that. They'll typically give you room upgrades. There's a lot of really cool stuff. So if you're somebody who travels a lot, I would definitely get dialed in with an Amex card. Oh, by the way, they have a referral bonus. So if you want to hook up and to get some bonus miles, shoot me a DM at Kyle Whissel. I'll send you my link. And I can then probably get you more sign-up miles than you could get if you just go straight to the website. But Amex, Fine Hotels and Resorts, and Hotel Collection are very vital to my consistent travel.
Very cool.
Awesome. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. We appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
Bryan Coachy.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.